Hello guys, today we have received this external Blu-ray drive. Let's unbox it and let's see what comes inside. Inside the box, we're going to be receiving the external Blu-ray drive. On the bottom, we're going to be getting the cable that we're going to be using to connect our Blu-ray drive. Now this actually has a USB cable. This is a USB-A and it also has a Type-C port. It has both connections so that way it's easier to connect to our computers. You can connect to a Mac computer or a Windows computer. You can read and write Blu-ray, DVDs, and CDs. You will receive a user's manual so that way you can get more information on this product. This external Blu-ray disc has an extremely fast ability to read and write. It will actually read and write on Blu-rays up to 6 times, DVDs up to 8 times, and CDs up to 24 times. It does have a thin and compact size that will be the perfect companion for on the go. You can actually store the cable on the back, and it also has a Type-C port. We have here a Windows computer. We're going to simply connect our Blu-ray drive, and we have a one button right here, and we're simply going to insert it. There's no more other buttons, it's just this one button. As soon as I put in the disc, it's going to be ready for read or write depending on the function that you're doing. In this case, we're only reading the disc, and it's this simple to actually open the files from the disc and actually read it or write on it, and depends on what task you're doing. You can also play your Blu-ray, your DVD on the computer. You can also use this on a Mac, and you will start reading the files on your Mac. This is as simple as a plug and play. So you have a USB-A port and you have a Type-C port. This has a very wide compatibility. It's compatible with Mac OS and Windows, so that makes it a plug and play. You will just plug it and start using it, and the compatibility of this is very wide. This is a perfect companion for the laptops. I hope that the information for this external Blu-ray disc was helpful. I definitely want to thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.